what people want to see. But not a fake smile, like a real smile.
Hi everybody, welcome to my new YouTube channel, Dad Knits. I'm a dad, and I knit. Well, not really. You might think that I'm a professional at this. I'm not. I started knitting a whole 4 days ago. Yes, so you are going to come along with me on my journey through learning how to do this amazing thing called knitting. So let me show you first, real quick, all the things that I've made so far. I started out with this wonderful baby doll hat, complete with a giant hole in the middle. That was my very first knit ever. I don't even know what this stitch is called. That's for the baby doll right there.
She's a little scary. She's very old.
She's very loved.
She's also very old.
I don't even know what the name of this knit is, but I do know that you use an E-stitch to make it. Everything that I've made so far has been used with an E-stitch, and I'll show you more about that later. This was the second hat that I made. After making the small hat, I said, I can make a big hat. So then I made this bigger hat. And this is the first one with the pom-pom on it. This is the, see how nicely it fits? Still done with all the same E-stitching. The edge rolls up. And because it rolls up, it's because I didn't actually make a brim on the hat. So it's okay, it's a good look. I like the look of the rolling up. You see it still has a little tail here. Then I made the third hat, which has a brim around it. So I learned how to do that. I'll show you how to do that as well. And then I was like, I'm a pro. I know exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to make socks now, because I love socks. Just to let you know, I love socks.
He does.
So I made this sock.
Do you want me to sample it?
No. While it does have an end on it, I did learn how to do that. It's not proper. And then I tried to make a heel. And as you can see, there's a giant hole right here in the side of the heel. And then the top, still a tail. I tried to tie it around so that it didn't close up. I did a pretty good job of that, considering I was just like, I don't know how to do this, but I'm going to try. Another thing real fast, I'm going to take you through my studio. It's a bucket.
This is the whole studio.
Now, since I'm a dad, and I'm lazy, and I don't want to learn how to do things the right way, I take that back. I don't want to learn the harder things to do. I'm doing all these using these awesome plastic looms. Okay, this
Can I
is
get a close up?
Yep, this is the first kit that I got. It came with 4 looms and directions on how to knit the hats. It has 4 different size looms in it. This is the baby doll size. This is, I don't know, a small child size, a medium child size. This is the one that I actually made this hat with, which will fit my big old head, but it will stretch out. So the next time I'm going to use the bigger one for this big old dome up here. Then we also went out and bought a scarf loom. So this square loom here. So I'm in the middle of making this. I figured this out all on my own. Figured out how to do this. I'll show you how to do that. I got this little bucket here as well to hold all these fancy needles in. You're always going to need one of these thingies. That's to pull the stitches off. And then at the end, you're going to need a needle like this as well to finish it off. We had 2 of these, already lost one. I just wanted to take you through a tour of my studio here. I don't even know how to finish it off. You see I still have a bunch of tails, but I did learn how to close up the bottom tail down here. Nothing down here. Ooh. This is just an intro to my channel, Dad Knits. So please, check it out, like it down below, especially this awesome video. Like it down below. What do you do? Subscribe, like.
Turn on post notifications.
Turn on
Hit
post
that
notifications.
little bell.
Get the little bell. And
comment down below.
Comment down below. Hashtag Dads Can Knit Too. I don't know. That just came to my head. And maybe I'll learn, and maybe you can learn while I'm learning. Alright? Peace out. Thanks.